40th anniversary in 2025 has been celebrated widely, but the upcoming lineup for 2026 could prove even more exciting. One major highlight is the confirmed return of the iconic Air Jordan 3 True Blue, originally released in 1988. Scheduled for fall 2026, the shoe is expected to launch around the back-to-school season, typically July through September, at a retail price of $220. While no official images have surfaced yet, the release is confirmed in its classic white and true Blue-Varsity Red colorway. Jordan Brand may also offer the sneaker in full family sizing, adult, grade school, preschool, and toddler, making the drop even more significant. Though precise release details remain unannounced, anticipation is already high, as this classic retro joins a strong roster of Jordan releases. With nostalgia and wide accessibility, the True Blue could rival the brand's anniversary releases.